Hi, so let's talk about what is new in skincare, that is peptides. So peptides are the newest in skincare and today we are going to decode whether they are good, whether they are bad and what's making them so famous. So hi, I'm Dr. Riddhi Gulati and I'm a cosmetologist. I practice in Gurgaon and today I'll be decoding peptides. So peptides, like the name suggests, these are short chains of amino acids. So what are these amino acids? Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. That means they form the micro unit of the cellular levels. Now this got a little complicated. Let me decode it for you. So in our skin cells, we have some cells called as fibroblasts that produce more collagen. So like collagen, you've heard, this is something that forms the basic unit and it adds suppleness to your skin, it adds youthfulness to your skin, it adds firmness to your skin. Basically, it is the main anti-aging ingredient that our skin already has inside us. Now, as we grow old, every year we lose around 1 to 2% of collagen. Especially after the age of 30, be it men or women, we tend to lose collagen more. So now all the anti-aging creams, the skincare regimes that we give you, they are focused towards building this collagen more. So one of the very good ingredients that has come up in the market is something called as peptides. Now these peptides, they not only stimulate collagen, so there have been a lot of lab research and studies that have been done on them. And it has seen that when we put this peptide on the fibroblast cell, it starts proliferating, like it starts multiplying. So like the fibroblast is multiplying means it's making your skin more youthful and making you more attractive and more supple. So fibroblast activity is increased by these peptides. Number two, they are very moisturizing in nature. So when you are getting a lot of skin treatments like peels, like lasers, like Morpheus, MNRF, or even injectable treatments, we want to put something inside your skin post-treatment which is actually going to increase the collagen again. So what do we do? Once the microchannels are created, we put some peptide on your face. In the night care also it can be used because our skin is like a membrane wherein things can go in and out. So we want to put peptide inside your skin again to give you a beautiful anti-aging effect. So now how to incorporate this peptide inside your skincare regime. So basically peptides work best when applied in the night time and they can be used as repair creams. So by repair creams, what I mean is that start doing skin cycling. Like you apply 2 actives on 2 consecutive days and on the third day you can apply a peptide. Now alone peptide would not be enough, you need to apply a peptide and then put some moisturizer on top of it so that the peptide gets sealed. Now these peptides can be applied maybe 2 to 3 times in a week, but you do not really need them every day unless recommended by your doctor. See, peptides come in 2 formulations, it can be matrixyl or copper peptides. Now there have not been very long-term studies on them, so we recommend that you keep the frequencies a little less because copper can be damaging in the long run. So I would just say 1 to 2 times or 3 times in a week is more than enough and is a completely safe dosage. So you can use it post your skincare treatments and along with your other products and try to incorporate this in your skincare. You are totally going to see a change. Also, a very commonly asked question is that can retinol be replaced by peptide? See, retinol is the gold standard drug for anti-aging. It is one vitamin A derivative which works beautifully on anti-aging and it works on fine lines, wrinkles, and it has been in the market for a very long time. So I wouldn't say that it's going to replace it, but yes, it can be used along with retinol or as an alternate. If you are allergic to retinol, then you can definitely use it. So if you want me to touch upon more such interesting skincare ingredients, then let me know in comments. And if you've ever used the copper peptide, which brand did you use and how did you like it and what changes are you seeing in your skin, please tell us in comments and do share, like and subscribe to our channel.